Hey guys, welcome to upcoming Power by latest jobs. Today, we are going to see about Denave recruitment. Any graduates can apply. Both freshers and experienced are eligible. Job description. Education and experience. Required, Bachelor's B Tech, BBA, BCA Master's degree in computer science or similar area of study. Fresher. Hands-on on Excel advanced features. Required skills, strong data analysis using SQL and powerbi. Creation of stored procedures with efficient queries to retrieve data using MS SQL. Analyze existing SQL queries for performance improvements, strong Excel, including macros and pivot tables, excellent communication skills and ability to articulate complex concepts concisely, data-oriented and ability to quickly understand business concepts, ability to think critically and analytically, ability to complete assignments on time and with minimal supervision, ability to work effectively in a high-pressure organization with multiple deadlines. Functional area data science analytics. Employment type full-time, permanent. Role category business intelligence analytics. Role business analyst. Experience 0 to 2 years. Job location Noida. Interview mode virtual. Interview questions. What is Power BI? What is MACT? Difference between Power BI and SQL? Difference between Power Query and Power Pivot. What is Power Pivot? What is Merge Query? What are filters in Power BI? What are custom visuals in Power BI? What is Get Data in Power BI? Difference between Max and MaxX. Documents. Resume. Educational certificates. Certificates of extracurricular activities. Proof of address. Salary slips. Experience certificates. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.